We're in the throes of the thunderstorm season at the moment, and over the last 2 days we've seen cloudy and wet weather over the eastern part of the country. On our satellite you'll see widespread thunder showers and showers over parts of the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal and Eastern Cape on Thursday afternoon, with another band moving in over the northwest, and over the northeastern interior you'll see mostly cloudy conditions with thunder showers particularly for Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. The South African Weather Service have issued a watch of the possibility of severe thunderstorms in the shade of amber with potentially large hail and damaging wind. They've also issued a watch for the possibility of heavy rain over parts of the Free State, where we could see 50 millimeters of rainfall or more over a 24-hour period. On our futurecast, you'll see those widespread thunder showers over the southeastern part of the country, with thunder showers also bringing in a significant amount of rainfall over parts of the Free State, Gauteng and the northwest, with a few showers still expected over the southwestern part of South Africa. And on Friday morning we can expect some drizzle along the Southern Cape coastline. But then things start to clear out, particularly in the afternoon, with a warm day over the western part of the country, fine and dry over the central interior, with a few thunder showers still expected in the northeast, as well as over KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern part of the Eastern Cape. Here's our rainfall probability map for tonight, with widespread thunder showers and showers extending from the Free State all the way through to the coast. Scattered thunder showers are expected as we head towards the northwest and Gauteng, isolated for parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, with the possibility of rainfall still over parts of the Western Cape. On our wind map, you'll see a fresh northeasterly wind along the east coast, with a westerly wind bringing in cool weather over the western part of South Africa. Light winds are expected over the interior on Friday, with the southeasterly wind picking up to fresh wind speeds in the afternoon along the northern Cape coast. We're forecasting a southwesterly wind along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast, and that's mainly on Friday afternoon. Overnight, things stay warm along the KwaZulu-Natal coast with a minimum temperature of 20 degrees, 13 for Johannesburg, 14 for Pretoria and Mahikeng, 15 degrees for Cape Town, Port Elizabeth and East London, with a minimum temperature of 5 degrees for Sutherland. Then tomorrow afternoon, we're forecasting maximums in the upper 20s for Gauteng with a warm end to the work week, 24 degrees for Durban and Cape Town, 23 along the coast from George through to East London, 28 for Kimberley and Uppington, topping 30 degrees. Our extended forecast for Saturday shows predominantly dry and sunny weather over the western half of South Africa, with a few thunder showers along the coast reaching East London and Durban, and a mostly cloudy day in the northeast with a slight possibility of thunder showers. Then on Sunday you'll see a similar day but with cooler weather in the northeast, and we're forecasting thunder showers there with a possibility of rain along the east coast and a mostly sunny, dry and hot day over the western half of the country. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.